because in Botswana they call me rag ambassador, me represent.
Saka yo ndo wakazotora in crown kuba kuno spread
yes, true that, because me took the artists like Fabulous. I took him to Botswana, Winky D, and the other boy, what's his name? Hello? The names are going out. The late daddy Labash, yes man. They once said the big dance with them in Botswana, which is on the video covering still. So Botswana right now.
Ready anytime.
If you are ready anytime, then we can make the dance come true. Because right now we are holding a club in our hands, the biggest club in Gaborone, which we need to mash up the place. Right. Other people, they were requesting Sizzler, but we know no one knows Sizzler at the moment.
Sizzler Zigano.
Because we have our own large artists, our own big selectors we can use.
Alright. Banana Winky Dia, Banana Labash. Unoza Winky Dia and Mzi.
Alright. Maybe it's because you stay for a long time.
No, one time I ended up Kambuzuma. They were playing at a school and we got a lot of disrespect, so we didn't even go in.
Ndakuma Castle na Natural Lion by me.
Oh, Maguna Castle.
It's still Zimbabwean brand, you know. We like it up still, you know.
But the main point, your main point in Ninewe was the guy
dance.
King. No, not that one.
Okay.
King Alfred did not start in 1988.
No.
Waramba.
No. King Alfred did not start in 1988. But still.
But not in
1988. Okay, fine. Now because he's the biggest leading sound in London. Because I witnessed by Traffic Club. I was there, I played with him in last year November I was in London. So we by Traffic Club. See, we large up, is making big, you know. We went to Leicester. It's closed now. We went to Leicester, Luton, we played still together.
But that's not London. Remember, all the places you are saying are not London.
Yes,
outer London.
Leicester, High-Fridge,
akuzikana ku High-Fridge. Kambuzuma. Kambuzikana ku Adzana kana kuti kudzara seka ujiringa.
Luton, Dandra, Karoa, Alfred, Guruziva, Tritese. But in based in Bournemouth, when I'm in England, I'm in Bournemouth, the south side of England.
South London.
Yeah, south
no,
England.
South London. South,
yes, man.
No, you don't say south. It says South London.
South London.
Yes.
Yes, mate. Thank you, mate.
Yes, mate.
Yes, mate. Large up. So I was running dance in Chili's club, Chili's pub, with a man like the Jamaican boy, Collins. Big up yourself. The Jamaican Massive. Nagi, big up yourself. The Kingston boys, you still promised me to take me to Kingston this year 2010.
You are also
I'm going to Kingston I'm changing my destination from not to go to London December, but I'm going to Kingston because it's a promise I gave you, you know. So I still want to keep my promise, you know, as a true Rasta man.
But Nafaro to Akwila Ndege, at least
Nandri one black in my British Angakawanda because Nagaswa mu BA.
Right.
Nanda badaro wandege nemunangane mari saka kandisa mudege ngene varungu chete.
Right.
Ndine malocks saka ndinda kazo save wa ngiri pepetsira.
Right.
Wambopewa zvinhu zvavo. Ndakuwa drinki andizoti vakandipa drinki vamwe vachipiwa mawhisky vafunga ndozoita violence ere ngandadhakwa.
Handiti.
Ndikazosumuka ndege chifamba zvikanzi wasumukirei ndikudawo zvikumwa nevamwe zvikanzi chini ndo alcohol. Pandazopiwa alcohol. Pamwe vaifunga ndandine sense in the blood kuti ndikazora alcohol ndo pandazoita madman.
But
But I was peaceful all the way still.
You're peaceful all the way.
All the way with the white people, they appreciated me and still me look them down because I don't look a white person.
Segregation because I'm black man.
I was a black man, so me could feel the atmosphere was a segregation atmosphere. Yeah man. Even by the Heathrow airport, it's only the woman she loved the Rasta man still, you know, because she was so smooth on me. But anyway, the reception with all the other boys was a bit tensy because they detained me for 5 hours and they interrogated me, the FBI's them. They searched my bag.
Scotland Yard.
Yeah man.
Yo, I don't invite. Ndakatorambidza kutompinda muEngland macho andichaenda kuEngland.
Yeah man, but they took me for 5 hours and they gave me an airport during that 5 hours.
They gave you an airport only?
An airport only, yeah man.
About that jembi?
Chinasadza nematumbu kana nemuriwo. Saka ndakazosungwa nemapurisa nemhosva ndandisingazive chinziyo wabva kuBotswana uri muZimbabwe. Sei uda kutiza ushende dzimwe nyika udi kuya neyaZimbabwe, sei waya nendege inodhura. Ndazovatsanangurira ndikati ano pane vamwe vanhu vane mari vakangotisumudzawo kuti tese tiuye kuLondon. Saka iyo kuLondon uda kuita chii? What is the purpose of your visit? Ndipo ndashaya purpose yevisit yangu kana chimbofunga kuti uda kuita chii kana wasvika. Ndipo ndataura kuti ndada ngoona kuti zvakamira sei muEngland. Though I was impressed, ndakazoudzwa nyaya ndirwadza kuti England mavakirwo yakaitwa zvisi zvaibva kuAfrica izvozvi.
NekuJamaica. Jamaicans build that.
MaJamaicans achisenzeswa vachivakiswa railway line nemaunderground matrains ataifamba nawo ayayo anzi majoma ndo vaivaka. That's why kuBrixton pandakazoenda ndakasvika majoma ari angry plus hakutombosvika mawhite man kunenge kune crisis.
Wamenda unonzi Stonebridge?
Yes, I was in Stonebridge.
Stonebridge, that's my neighborhood.
My aunt stays in Stonebridge.
Dokune Rough Cut.
Yes.
Ne Williston, ne Houseden.
Yes, ne Houseden. Yeah man.
Dokune ne Shepherd's Bush.
Yeah man.
Ne Wembley.
Yeah, Wembley.
Right,
yeah, man.
that's
yeah,
London.
Yeah man. I went there with the tube train. I came from Bournemouth. I went to London. From London, then I went to Wembley. But first I checked out Megaforce. Megaforce is a boy who stays in Mbare. So he gave me Ketes 2 days in London. I was just sighting go England and see what Glen. I went to Brixton. I met a couple of Jamaicans, couple of great people, you know.
Right.
Enough love still for the black man.
But in England, Houseden, then down Panon's Harvest Road.
The Harvest Road, yeah man.
Harvest Road, right there.
Remember that.
Then down Stonebridge, no boys, one pirate station. But anyways, back to the point, was our 30 seconds. What was the main subject of this interview? King Alfred, anakutanga 99?
King Alfred anatanga 1988. King Alfred anatanga 1988 because I played with King Alfred long time. Turtles, my cousin was playing there. Candyman, who's in Canada right now. Saka ndiyaitwa flow yekuzoridza mangoma. Saka King Alfred angoti makore ake amadzorera mashure mchena, but 95 was the right time.
Right.
That he started.
Thank you very much, my friend.
So we just want to large up Silverstone still.
Video